Good morning, everyone. Today is lesson number 27. We're going to learn about files. And I'll rerun the program. So let's get going then. Okay. We have a open function here to open a code text dot. This is a text file, and R is for read. Okay. When you print the read, it's going to print like this. Okay. And then you're going to close it. If you look at the function of the file itself, let's just go take a look at it. You do a dot. See there, you have a write, read, close, read line, see, whole bunch of it. See there, tell. This is the function of it. Okay, this is the function, and also you have a whole bunch of it around here. You see that? Just look at that. So you have time just to look around this. Otherwise, what I do, I just want to focus on button here. This is just look at the function. What I would say. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna comment this thing out, and we just close the file, and we're gonna open again, and we're gonna write it. Okay. You can write. You can write this. The journey begin 2000 with one step, and then you're gonna seek it. Seek the first file of those, and then you're gonna write this thing on top of it, and then you're gonna close it, and then you're gonna open it. You're gonna read it. You're gonna print the same thing because this is gonna write over this. Okay, and you do the read function to read it. Okay, and the next one is that I'm gonna open again. I'm gonna read the first three characters. It's gonna print the, right? Because this first three characters. And you're gonna need the next character. It's gonna print this, including the space. Okay. And then you do a tell. You're gonna tell where is the position of the character. You say, oh, I just read the first 6 characters. It's just gonna print 6 here. That's all. All right, number 2. The read line is gonna read the whole sentences. So since you already start with letter 6, you're gonna print this thing all the way through like this. Okay. And number 3 is number two. Okay, you open a code again. This is a famous code, and you're gonna do a read line. Okay, you do a for loop to do it. For I in range 2e, you're gonna print the whatever in the string, and then you're gonna read it. When you do that, it's gonna print 0 with a semicolon, and it just print ding. Okay. What this represent is this. Okay, it just convert into a string and integer into a string and fit because you do semicolon, it's gonna put semicolon, right? Just the string function just convert the integer into a string and just print like this. So the best way out is always true about Robert Frost. Okay, and the next one you're gonna print always do what you're afraid to do. Ralph Waldo Emerson. And the third one, tough times are never last, but tough people do. Dr. Robert. Okay, that's the 3 famous quotes. All right. And the next one, you're gonna do an app read. This is you do you use a string you use a for loop to print it. That's fine. This is the same thing like this, except you use a for loop, okay? And this, when you do it, the read function, you can read the whole thing, right? You open, you read, and you close. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. That print the preprint the same thing. It's just a preprint object. You have to import it, and you just use preprint. Open the file and you read the whole line. Okay. When you do that, it's gonna print the whole thing. Ding with the. This become dictionary, obviously, right? You know that, or list, because you have this bracket in here. Okay. And obviously, it's gonna include the. This is stand for the carriage return, right? So, all right. So the next one, number 3. Number 3, what you do, you open the me code, and you're gonna write it. You're gonna write this. You must never be fearful about what you are doing when it is right. Rosa Parks. Okay. Again, this is like the return key, cat return or return key. Okay. And you're gonna close it, and then you can open the code, and you're gonna read it. When you read it, you're gonna be like this, ding, ding, ding. Remember, this is the cat return. You're gonna have a space at the end here, because I have a space in here. Okay, so, and the next one is gonna do that, because remember the space at the end here. So that's all. And this, before I let you guys go, remember this, the top 27. You do a file and streaming. Remember, you have to know the open function. There are mode you can read, write, append, binary, with a plus sign here, read and write. And the file, you can open it with this mode, buffering and more. Okay. And I think that's it. Let's conclude the lesson number 27. I will see you guys next time. Bye.